Okay guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be giving you or showing you a secret TSA trick to calculate total surface area. This is by far the easiest method and the most efficient, I would say. This only works for rectangular prisms. So let's get into it. So here, let's do what most common people would do, as in me until 5 minutes ago. What I would be doing would be using the general formula 2 LB plus LH plus HB. Just multiplying all the sides and adding them and then multiplying the entire thing by 2. Right? So now we can do the same thing here and it's going to work out 2. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 7 times 3 is 21 plus 4 times 3 is 12. And if we add 28 plus 21 plus 12, we get 61, and then we multiply that by 2, which gives us 122. So our answer would be, let's say they're all centimeters, but units squared. That is the total surface area. But the trick that I'm about to show you is going to change this 30-second journey that it just took you to calculate that. Okay? So all you need to do, really, is take two sides, right? Let's take 7 and 3 here. And then multiply them together. Add them together first. Add them together. So 7 times 7 plus 3 is 10. And then multiply by the other side. I'm writing this in the order. So 7 plus 3 is 10 times 4. So 10 times 4 is 40. So that's one number. Then we go on and multiply 7 times 3. What's 7 times 3? That's 21. Yes. Now we add these two numbers. Okay? 40 plus 21. That is 61. Now what do? We multiply again. And we multiply by 2 because there are two sides. Two identical sides. Like this side is identical to that. So we multiply by 2. And that will give us 122. This method is that easy. We got the exact same answer, but far less working out. And it works for every... Wait, I shouldn't have done that. Yeah, it works for every rectangular prism. So let's swap up the values again. Suppose this time our new values are such that 9, 6, and 5. Right? So here we can do 9 plus 5 because our first one is plus. 9 plus 5 is 14. And then times by the other number, 14 times 6, which is 84. Times 6, 84. And then 84 plus, we're multiplying 9 and 5. And we know that's 45. And after multiplying, we add these two. 84 plus 45, that's 129. And then we multiply this by 2 for our last one to get 129 times 2, which is 258. You can pause the video and try out the normal method they usually do, and it's going to be the exact same answer. Units squared. Okay? So now, why does this trick work? Well, let me explain. Let's use some different numbers here. This time we'll use 4, 5, and 3. Okay? So what you usually have to do, because if you have two identical sides, we're basically multiplying two sides, like finding the area of one face. So suppose you're finding the area of the top, and then you're multiplying it by 2, so you also do the bottom because they're the exact same, right? Even the front, that's the front, and that's the front. And even for the back, that's the back, that's the sides. So now you're able to understand that we multiply everything by 2. So if you write that down, we're basically doing 5 times 3 times 2, right? We're finding the area of that and multiplying that by 2. And we do that for 5 times 4. 5 times 4. But then let's not bring 5 times 4 yet. Let's write 3 times 4 because it's easier for the explanation. And then here it's 5 times 4 times 2. So this is what you do to get your surface area. So what we're doing is essentially manipulating this. So initially, go on and to make our explanation even easier, like easier as in it works that way, but this way is more user-friendly, I would say. You know the 5 and the 4, right? Add them. We're going to add these two to get 9. Now that we have 9, let's multiply them by the 3. Right? Because there are 2 3s, multiply them. So 9 times 3 is 27. Right? So now 27 is one number, and then 5 times 4 is 20. So that's another number. So basically we have to multiply 27 times 2 and then 20 times 2. But then it still won't work out then. So what we do is 27 plus 20, which is 47. Right? Now you go on and multiply 47 by 2, and that's 94. And that is your area. Hope that kind of makes sense now to why this trick works, but it's just a more efficient and subtle way of doing tasks faster. So I hope you liked it. Bye.